we'll see rational numbers on the number line here. Before that, what is the number line? Let us study. Let us take here a line, a number which are plotted on this line, that is called the number line. This is you have learnt in the previous standard, right? So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here -1, -2, -3, so on. Okay, you know that the distance between each number, that is 0, 1 and 1, 2, 2, 3, they all will be in a equidistance, right? And the numbers which are present right to the 0, these numbers will be always a positive numbers. The numbers which present to the left of the 0, these numbers will be always a negative numbers here, right? And whenever you see that when the numbers move away from the 0 right hand side, these numbers will start becoming bigger and bigger. You can see here 0 to 1, it is 1 is bigger than the 0, and 2 is bigger than the 0, 3 is bigger than the 0, and 4 is bigger than the 0, so on it will go. But for the negative numbers, here -1 is smaller than the 0, again -2, it will be again smaller than the -1 here, which means that when the numbers, negative numbers, they go away from the 0, they will start becoming smaller and smaller and smaller. Okay, for example, we'll take here -2, it is smaller than, it is greater than the -3, which means -3 it is smaller than the -2, and -2 it is smaller than the -1, -3 it is 2 smaller than the -1. Got everyone? Okay, this is about the number line. Next we'll see how to take a rational numbers on the number line. Suppose I want to take a number I want to draw a number 3.3/2 and -3/2 on this number line. How to do? We'll see it. You can see, students, in this fraction, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. In this fraction, numerator is greater than the denominator, isn't it? Which means 3 is greater than the 2 here. At this situation, first we need to convert this fraction into the mixed fraction here. It is in a improper fraction. We need to convert it into the mixed fraction. We'll divide 3 by 2 here. 2 ones are 2 and remainder is 1. Okay, so I will write it here. I will write in a mixed fraction, that is 3 by 2. I will write it as, this quotient should be at here, and the denominator part, that should be kept as it is. That should be kept as it is, and remainder it should be at the numerator place. Now I have converted this improper to the mixed fraction. Now we can easily plot this point on the number line here. Okay, you can see one integer 1 by 2, which means it lying between 1 and 2 here, which is 1.5. 1.5 means it always lie between 1 and 2 here, isn't it? So we'll consider this part only 1 and 2 here. Now we should divide this part 1 and 2, this part, in 2 equal parts here. Okay, 2 equal parts, that is here. I will take a point, middle point. I have divided this part 1 and 2 in 2 equal parts. This is 1 part and this is 2 part. Out of 2 part, it is in the position of first. First position means this position only. So it will be here. That is 1 integer 1 by 2. 1 integer 1 by 2, it is nothing but a 3 by 2 here. So this is a 3 by 2 position. Okay. Similarly, -3 by 2. Minus, it is a minus. We should see the left hand side. Again, it lies between 1 and 2. That is -1 and 2 here. Here it will be exactly. So it will be -3 by 2. I hope the concept is clear for you. Next we'll take one more example. Here I have taken the second example. Now we'll take a 7.4 on the number line. How to take? Let us take. Again you can see the numerator is, that is 7 is greater than the 4, right? Isn't it? Now first we should convert this into the mixed fraction now by dividing it. 7 should be divided by 4. That is 4 ones are 4. Remainder is 3. This quotient should be at the integer part, and the remainder should be at the numerator place, and this denominator 4, that should be at the denominator place only. Okay, next, here I have already taken the number line. You can see again it lying between one integer 3 by 4, that is nothing but it lying between 1 and 2 here, isn't it? So we'll divide this 1 and 2, this part, into 4 equal parts. Why 4 equal parts? Means the denominator it is 4 here, so we need to divide this part into 4 equal parts. If it is 3 means we should divide it into 3 parts. The parts will dividing the parts will depending upon the denominator value here, right? Now we'll divide this part into 4 equal parts. 1 part, 2 part, 3 and 4 part. 1, 2, 3, 4 part. I divided into 4 equal parts now. Out of 4 equal parts, third part we should take. 1, 2, 3. This is the third part, right? So this is the third part, that is 1 integer 3 by 4. That is nothing but 7 by 4. Got everyone? Isn't it? Similarly, we will take the minus 7 by 4. Minus 7 by 4 means we should take the left hand side. Again it lying between minus 1 and 2 here. That is, we'll divide this into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4 equal parts. Out of 4 equal parts, it is in the position of the third. 1, 2, 3 here. That is what? Minus 7 by 4. I hope the concept is clear for you, how to represent the rational numbers on the number line.